Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the very much awaited project na in few days lang ay ilo-launch na. Okay? So ito yung version ng Meta X 2.0 na BNB naman. So sabi ko nga guys, I am a big fan of BNB and this is very exciting. Okay? Kasi there is prediction na si BNB, grabe, tataas siya ng 5 digits guys. Can you imagine? Kaya ngayon pa lang, dapat meron na tayong ways to generate lots of BNB. Okay? So, ang daming project na naglalabasan ngayon. Alright? Majority are smart contracts. Ayan, we're on trend. Kasi ngayon, alam na tayong pwedeng ibang pagkatiwalaan. Okay? Kundi yung mga smart contracts na lang. Yung fully decentralized smart contracts. So, ito, I'm very excited kasi kung na-inlove tayo at na-excite tayo ng todo kay Meta X 2.0, wherein ang na-earn natin doon is POL token. Okay? This time, great news, here comes BNB Jet. So, 2017, ang price ni BNB is just $25. Alright? And then, 2018, bumaba siya ng $20 per BNB token. Pagdating ng 2019, naging $39. Alright? This is based on history, guys. Okay? So, 2020, naging $38 siya. And guess what? 2021, guys, look at the difference. So, tumaas siya for its all-time high of 683 per BNB. Okay? And ngayon, guys, this is the start. Okay? I'm very excited for the next bull run. And there is a prediction na si BNB expected to cross the 5,000 average price level. According to BNB forecast, technical analysis, by the end of 2025, ang minimum price ni BNB is expected to be 4,900. Can you imagine, guys? Additionally, BNB can reach a maximum price level of 5,280 at the end of 2025. BNB will have an average price of 5,280.58. The crypto market expects a significant price shift. So, hindi na to imposible, guys. Okay? Nangyari na nga yung shifting from $38 all the way up to 683 in just 1 year time. Okay? I think less than a year. So, BNB is making history. Okay? This is the top 3 in coin market cap. So, this is big, guys. This is huge, actually. Kaya naman, we always find ways to generate lots of BNB. And I found the great project na ilo-launch pa lang, guys. Okay? In few days from now. So, make sure you are very much ready for this project. Alright? So, eto guys, ipe-present ko sa inyo yung kung paano tayo mag-earn dito kay BNB Jet. Okay? So, welcome to BNB Jet. This is the first matrix contract for the Binance Smart Chain. Actually, marami dyang naglalabasan na mga smart contracts. Ayan, pero hindi natin sigurado kung fake ba siya or genuine or legit ba siya. Alright? So, itong si BNB Jet, we all know na we are part of BNB Cash and subok na natin si BNB Cash. Okay? Very legit and I'm connected with the developer of this project and very trusted siya. Okay? So, he created BNB Cash and this time, okay, simultaneous na magra-run yung dalawang big project na to kasi we are a big fan of BNB. Okay? So, this time, we will earn BNB through crowdfunding. Our team BNB Jet gives you the easiest way to multiply your BNB. So, this is the matrix system which pays you lifetime dividends. So, kung na-excite tayo sa Meta X 2.0 na merong dividends, okay? Dito din, meron siyang dividends, guys. And guess what? Bigger dividends. Alright? So, mas mahal si BNB, okay? Pero, grabe, it's really worth it kasi nakita natin yung shifting, nakita natin kung paano siya bumulusok. So, ngayon pa lang, kung meron tayong 10 na BNB na ma-earn dito kay BNB Jet, guess what? That's 40,000 US dollars equivalent. Actually, mas mataas pa siya, 50,000 US dollars. Can you imagine that? If you convert that into Philippine peso, instant millionaire ka na talaga. Okay? So, let's take this opportunity to generate more BNB ngayon na nasa 500 plus pa lang yung value niya. Okay? So, with BNB Jet, there are two matrix system for double the earning potential. Okay? It's really worth it kasi magbu-multiply tayo ng maraming BNB dito. Alright? So, BNB Jet is 100% decentralized and fully verified smart contract. Ano ba yung mga advantage of smart contract? Ownership free, no administration, and immutable code, tampered proof. So, once na-deploy na to sa system, no one can stop it. Alright? So, lifetime na natin tong mapapakinabangan. Okay? Maraming matutulungan yung project nito. Kaya ngayon pa lang, we are very much lucky na maging part ng pioneers ng project na to. So, another advantage is no payout request needed. Hindi natin kailangan mag-request ng payout dito kasi wala namang CEO or wala namang owners na naghahawak ng mga funds natin. This is fully decentralized, okay? Instant payout in just a click of a button sa dividends, alright? Kasi may kiniklaim tayo na free dividends doon, alright? Pero yung direct level income ay direct na talaga napapasok sa ating mga MetaMask or Trust wallets. Okay? No management control. This is a global business, an autonomous operation, and it runs on a blockchain. So, it is very secured. Okay? So, welcome to BNB Jet. Here are the mechanics. Okay? Out of 100%, ang 75% niyan napupunta direct sa ating mga wallet. And then there is a fee, okay, of 25%. Alright? So, yung 25% na yun yung mapupunta sa dividends. So, di ba, yan lang yung kinaibahan niya kay MetaX 2.0. Kasi kay MetaX 2.0, 20% lang yung napupunta sa dividends and the other 5% goes to the marketing and to the developer. So, ito, this time, talagang 100% ay dinivide siya. Okay, so itong 25%, ito yung non-working income. Ibig sabihin niyan, paghahati-hatian niya ng lahat ng mga members ng BNB Jet. Okay? Regardless kung meron niyang direct referrals or wala. So, kikita ka pa rin dito kahit wala kang direct referrals. But then again, I recommend you do the matrix pa rin kasi 75% yan. So, ganun din sa MetaX 2.0, ang 75% is directly na mapupunta sa wallet natin and the 25%, yun yung paghahati-hatian. Pero base yan sa level na in-upgrade mo. So, the higher the level na in-upgrade mo or in-unlock mo, mas higher yung parte mo sa dividends. Okay? So, ito yung example, no? Only 0.02 BNB. Okay? So, automatic pag ikaw ay nag-join or nag-register, automatic maa-unlock ang inyong X3 at X6. Okay? So, there are two matrices which is double the earning potential. So, ma-activate automatic yan. And then, the next level, it's up to you kung ano yung i-unlock mo. But, I recommend na simultaneous. I-unlock mo yung nasa level 2 ng X3 and then level 2 ng X6. Okay? Kasi yung X6, this is the dito mo makukuha yung mga spillovers, crossovers. Okay, so ipapaliwanag natin yan for the next slides. Ito yung matrix natin. So, this is you. Okay, so ang pinaka fastest way para mag-generate tayo is to build your 3x3 matrix. Okay, only 3 directs guys and you're accomplished. And then, let's teach your 3 people to get their 3. Okay, ang maganda dito guys, hindi tayo katulad sa mga ibang multi-level marketing na maliit lang yung percentage natin. So, nakikihati lang tayo sa company. Kasi doon, it's either, ang pinakamataas na is 20%, ganyan. So, dito kay BNB Jet, 75%. Can you imagine how big is that? And, ang ina-earn natin dito is BNB. So, yan, each matrix has 12 levels. X3 and 12 in X6. So, bawat level niyan guys, nadodoble lang siya yung amount niya. Pero again, mag-i-start ka sa 0.02 BNB plus yung gas fee. Okay? So, ayun guys, meron lang siyang deduction na 25%, which is yun naman yung para dun sa buong community. Paghahati-hatian yan. Kaya, advantage mo rin dito kung mag-upgrade ka to higher levels, at least level 4, 5, 6 levels, and kung kaya mo ng level 7, 8, 9, 10, much better. Kasi, dito, once ka lang mag-a-unlock ng level mo, and lifetime mo na yun, pagkakakitaan. Lifetime mo na yun, magge-generate sa'yo ng BNB. Okay? So, ito yung mechanics niya, no? Say, for example, your first two partners, ayan, dito sa X3 to, guys, ha? Sa X3. So, your first two partners, yun yung direct na mapupunta sa'yo. Okay? Yung 0.02 BNB nila, okay, 75% of that, diretsong mapupunta sa wallet mo. Okay? And then, there's very small fee, which is the 25%, na hindi na pupunta sa developer or sa, wala namang owners dito, no? So, yung 25% na yun ay napupunta sa dividend pool, and then, yun yung dinidistribute sa lahat ng members ng community ni BNB Jet. So, depende kung ano yung level mo, yun yung marireceive mo na dividends. Okay? So, the third partner, eto, direct mo yan yung pangatlo. Sabi ko nga ay 3x3 strategy. So, yung third mo, it will serve as your renewal. Okay? So, ito, mapupunta yan sa taas, sa upline mo. Alright? So, it's okay kasi it will serve as your renewal. Ibig sabihin, kapag meron ka nito, na-renew yung account mo, alright, naka-cycle ka na, then you will start again. So, magkakaroon ka ulit ng chance maka-receive ng another 0.02 BNB. Okay? So, ganun lang, cycle lang siya ng cycle, guys. Kailangan lang, kasi, of course, kung ano yung ginagawa nitong tatlong directs mo, yun din yung ituturo natin sa kanila. Alright? So, yung pang third din nila ay mapupunta naman din sa'yo. So, karma-karma lang yan. Kung ano yung ginawa mo, kung ano yung nangyari sa account mo, ganun din yung mangyayari sa account ng the next level na papasok. Okay? And guess what? Hindi ka dito isang beses lang na kikita. Paulit-ulit yon. Kasi nga nagsacycle ka. Kasi meron kang renewal payment. So, ito yon, si user E. Okay? Now, let's go to X6. Alright? So, ganito naman yung sa X6. So, ito yung direct referrals mo. So, this is you and this is your upline. Alright? So, yung first two direct referrals, diba, sa X3, meron kang tatlo kasi yun yung gagawin natin, 3x3 strategy. 3x3 matrix strategy. So, this is your 3 direct referrals. So, itong si user C, their payments will go to your upline. Okay? And then, the next, your second direct referrals, okay, this will go to your upline 2. Okay? Basta tandaan nyo guys, yung unang dalawa nyo, okay, kasi syempre, nag-activate yan, diba? Ito rin yung tao na nag-activate sa X3. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. So, meron kang tatlo, diba? So, sa X3, direct na punta sa yung payment nila. And yung pangatlo mo is na-renew ka. Okay? And then, dito naman sa X6, yung tatlong tao na yun, alright, yung first two direct referrals mo, their payment will go to your upline. Okay? And then, the third one, so yun yung papunta sa'yo. Alright? And then, there are another 2 here, another 3 actually. Okay? So, sa X6 kasi, kaya nga 6. Diba? Kaya nga X6 siya. So, there are 6 people na sa ilalim mo. Okay? Yung X3 naman, 3 lang siya. Ito lang siya. So, dito sa X6, the other people na papasok sa matrix mo, si user E, F, and G, sila yung direct na mapupunta sa'yo, yung payment. Okay? And then, user H, ito yung magsaserve as your renewal. Okay? So, syempre, kailangan ng renewal para makapag-cycle ka and magba-back to 0. Ibig sabihin, o-open up ulit yung slots mo dito. Okay? And then, mag-receive ka na ulit ng another direct level income. Okay? Which is 75%. So, very important itong si user H, siya yung nagre-renew sa'yo, 'di ba? So, sa X3, yung pangatlo ang iyong magiging renewal partner, and then sa X6, user H, or yung pang 6th person na papasok sa matrix mo, siya yung magiging renewal mo. Okay? And every time na nare-renew ka, means another cycle na naman yun. Another earnings na naman yun. Okay? Let's talk about the spillovers. So, there are 3 types of spillovers here. Unahin natin si level renewals. Okay? Spillover payments are payments that you receive for users that are not directly invited or referred by you. They are in effect bonus payments. So, na-explain ko na to mabuti sa previous slides natin. So, ulitin ko lang. Your third person will be your renewal. So, okay? So, we call that spillover to your referrer. Yung third person na to, okay, na spillover sa upline mo. So, ikaw din naman ay magiging upline kasi meron ding mga papasok dito sa ilalim mo. It's either ni-referred mo or ni-referred na yan ng upline mo. Okay? Alright, sabi dito guys, for you to earn these spillover payments, you need your partners to fill their slots. Okay? So, yun nga, kailangan mapuno yung mga slots na to and then yung pang third at saka yung pang sixth will serves as the renewal spillover. Okay? So, the next type of spillover is the level upgrades. Say for example, eto, si user A, ang iyong upline ay naka-level 6. Alright? And then, it's you, okay? And you're currently at level 5. So, say for example, since maraming ang papasok dito sa ilalim mo, okay, this is about teamwork, itong si user H, okay, nasa level 4. So, he wants to upgrade to level 5. Okay? So, ito ang consequence. Itong mga tao na to, kapag kayo ay nasa same level lang, okay? Then, itong pumasok na to, gusto niya mag-upgrade or bumili ng level 5, mag-unlock ng level 5. Since si user G ay nasa level 4 lang, same kayo. Okay? Ang mangyayari niyan, hahanap yung system ng upper line na naka-higher level. Ngayon, if the system finds out na si user C, the next higher level upline, ay naka-level 4 din, hindi niya matatanggap yung level 5 na 75% nito. Okay? Ang gagawin ulit, hahanap ng qualified accounts. Okay? Qualified parent. Now, itong account mo is since naka-level 5 ka. Good news, yung upgrade nito, okay, aakyat direct sa'yo. So, sa'yo mapupunta yung level upgrades ng tao na to. Okay? So, that's what we call the level upgrades. Kaya dito guys, kailangan consistent yung pag-upgrade mo. Okay? Kasi nag-earn ka naman dito sa 2 tao nga lang, bawing-bawi ka na. Sobra-sobra pa. So, gawin mo siyang way para makapag-upgrade ka sa next level. Kasi guys, dito, isang beses ka lang naman mag-unlock ng slots mo and kaya nga nasabi ko, lifetime mo na yon na pagkakakitaan. Okay? So, yun guys. So, kailangan mas higher upgrades talaga. Mas advantage kung i-unlock mo na yung higher levels. Okay? So, that's how level upgrades works. Alright? Now, let's move on to the next spillover, which is called the level blocks. Okay? So, dito naman, say for example, this is user A and this is you. Alright? So, these are the people na pumasok sa matrix mo. Alright? So, now, this new user, which referred by user C, okay? When one of your partners has filled all their slots in the current level, their referral slots are reset ready for another cycle. But to enable this new cycle, they must also have upgraded to the next level if this current level will not be blocked for them and the next partner they get will be redirected to you. The system search up the matrix of user C, checking the current referrer to see if that user is valid. So, say for example, the new user, ito, na-filled na niya lahat ng slots. Okay? So, naka-cycle out ka na, na-renew ka na. Then, ready na yung slots mo for the next people na magdo-donate sa'yo. But, there's a condition. So, para ma-receive mo yung payment ng new user na to, dapat naka-upgrade ka na to next level. Para hindi ma-block yung payment ng bagong pasok na to. Okay? I hope that's clear. Alright? So, that's how spillover blocks works. That's why ako kasi pinipilit kong maka-upgrade to higher levels dahil alam ko na hindi na natin control yung mga taong pumapasok sa ilalim. So, once na may pumasok sa ilalim na capable of upgrading to higher levels, okay, and nakapag-cycle out na siya. So, qualified na yung taong yun na mag-receive ng higher payments na. Okay? Now, if you're the upline, tapos hindi ka pa nag-upgrade to the higher levels, ibig sabihin, kahit same level kayo nung taong to, okay, hindi mo yun marireceive kasi naka-block yung pag-receive mo nung payments na yun. So, I hope that's clear, guys. Okay? So, that's how level blocks works. Alright? So, that's fair enough. Okay? Fair enough kasi para mag-run yung system, para mas mag-grow yung community, hindi tayo mag-stuck sa iisang level lang, 'di ba? Para hindi mag-stop yung movement ng matrix natin. Para continuous na mag-grow, kailangan mo mag-move forward. Alright? So, that's it. And then, so, game mechanics, matrix token, and dividends. So, eto naman guys. So, we will not talk about the matrix token yet kasi ito yung reward system na ibibigay sa atin ni BNB Jet. Alright? So, magkakaroon tayo ng matrix token maybe after few months kapag talagang fully launched na itong si BNB Jet, nakapag-build up na ng community. So, for now, yun, yung system natin is 75% and 25%, which is the dividends and the matrix earnings. Okay? So, this is how the dividends works. Ayan nga, in-explain ko na sa previous slides natin. Yung 25% na yun yung pinaghahati-hatian or napupunta sa dividend pool. Nasa smart contract lang din to guys. Hindi to access ng developer. So, nandun to sa smart contract. Ito yung kiniklaim natin ng mga dividends. Ang maganda dito guys, mas malaki siya kaysa sa MetaX 2.0 kasi 20% lang doon. But then, nag-enjoy pa rin tayo kasi ang laki ng re-receive nating dividends daily. So, how much more here na 25% na siya? Alright? So, that's how dividend works, guys. And soon, sabi ko nga, after few months na naka-launch na talaga itong naka-take off na si BNB Jet, magkakaroon pa tayo ng reward na mga matrix token. Alright? So, additional, another ways for us to earn ulit yon. Alright? So, eto guys yung game levels. Eto yung amounts ng BNB from level 1 up to level 12. So, wag kayong malula dito sa amount na to kasi ma-earn nyo naman na yan dito sa mga previous levels. Okay? And kapag na-unlock nyo yan, once na-unlock nyo na yan guys, ito ding amount na to, 75% of that ang marireceive natin direct to our wallet multiple times, unlimited for life hanggat nandyan si BNB Jet. Alright, so eto guys, sa level 1 0.01 BNB, okay, and then level 2 0.02 BNB, double lang yan guys, times 2 lang yan. So yung level 3 is twice the amount of level 2, level 4 is twice the amount of level 3, and so on. Okay? And then soon, ito yung mga matrix reward na marireceive natin. So, for now, wala pa to guys. So, ignore muna natin yung matrix reward na yan. Basta ngayon, ang i-workout natin is yung 75% direct level income at yung 25% na dividend. Okay? So, eto guys, grabe po. Pag ito na-open natin, ayan, 0.32 BNB, nasa level 6 ka na. But again guys, hindi mo ma-open ng certain level. Say for example, in-unlock mo siya, ito ka lang. Alright? So ngayon, bago mo ma-unlock yung level 2, dapat meron kang 0.02 BNB. Hindi ka pwedeng tumalon dito guys ha. Okay, magsisimula ka muna sa level 1 hanggang ma-reach mo yung certain level na kaya ng budget mo. Okay? Sabi ko nga guys, ang based on my experience sa MetaX 2.0, ito, naka-level 9 ako doon. Pero naka-polygon kasi tayo doon. Dito, BNB naman siya. So, ayan, 2.5 BNB. Medyo malaki yan kapag isahang bagsakan. But again, sabi ko nga, i-work out yung matrix para magkaroon ka ng pang-upgrade. Okay? It's up to you kung gusto mo mag-stop sa certain level. Again, meron tayong level block spillover wherein kung yung mga nasa upline mo or yung nasa taas mo naka higher levels sila, ikaw nag-stop ka dyan, mabablock ka, hindi mo marireceive yung next payment nung new users na papasok. So, yun lang guys. And yeah, one at a time, pwede nyo i-upgrade yung accounts. Okay? Pwede nating i-unlock yung bawat levels na yan. So same with the X3. Okay? Dito nga lang is meron tayong 6 na matrix. Sa kabila, sa X3 naman is only 3. So, same yung nadodouble lang kada next levels. Alright? So, it's up to us kung ano yung kaya ng budget, yun lang yung i-unlock. And then, do your best, share the business kasi 2 tao lang, sobra-sobra na, 150% na. So, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng 50% na profit doon. Okay? So, share the business, guys, and one at a time, maya-unlock natin yan. This is really an exciting project. Dito tayo makakaipon ng maraming BNB. Can you imagine kung meron kang sabi ko nga 10 BNB lang, 'di ba? Set your target goal. Say for example, you want at level 10. This is good enough, guys. But again, if you can unlock these higher levels, much better. Kasi dito, instant kahit 20 BNB pa ng times 5 times 10, kayang-kaya mong kitain. And again, this is fully verified smart contract. This will stay, okay, for life as long as merong community na nagpa-participate. This is crowdfunding, guys. So yeah, the greatness about this is walang CEO, okay? Walang naghahawak ng funds natin. Again, this is P2P, all right? And yung dividends naman, malaki yung dividends na pinaghahati-hatian natin. So, it's up to you kung anong levels din yung gusto mong i-unlock para mas mataas. The higher na i-unlock mo, the higher dividends na ma-receive natin. And by the way, guys, dito nga pala sa X6, nangyayari yung mga crossovers, spillovers, income from upline, income from downline. So, kung ikaw ay not into inviting, pwede mong unahing i-upgrade yung X6 para dun sa mga spillovers. Okay? So, that's it, guys. This is BNB Jet. Make sure you are ready on the launch day. So, guys, again, advantage natin dito is we are connected directly to the developer. And again, as a part of Team Baby Snow's community, we are always at the top spot. So, bago pa ilatag yung referral link sa official GC, tayo po sa Team Baby Snow, available na yung referral link. At binabagsak ko yan sa Telegram GC, okay? Nandyan sa link. Make sure na mag-join kayo sa ating Telegram group ni Team Baby Snow. Doon, i-share ko agad, ilalapag ko agad yung referral link para makapag-sign up kayo. Kasi guys, there's a huge advantage of being the top, okay? Kapag nasa top tayo dito, guys, it means higher earning potential, higher chance na makareceive tayo ng mga dividends from the people na next na magjo-join sa system. So, before maging available to sa official GC ni BNB Jet, tayo as a team, as part of Team Baby Snow, makakapag-sign up na muna tayo. Okay? So, makikita nyo yan sa ID numbers ninyo. Alright? So, the first 100 IDs is very lucky here. Okay? So, ngayon, kay MetaX 2.0, nasa 1,000 IDs na yata. So, dito guys, i-maximize natin yung opportunity kasi pwede naman nating pagsabayin si MetaX 2.0 and then BNB Jet kasi dito sa BNB Jet, BNB naman yung ating ina-earn. Alright? So, that's all guys and I'm very excited. Make sure to join our Telegram channels and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel para updated kayo lagi. So, that's it guys and I'll see you all sa launch day. Okay? In few days from now. So, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Kaya make sure naka-standby kayo sa ating Telegram GC. So, again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye!